Hello and welcome to the competition for LeadMagnet IQ. Now we have an amazing bonus for this. It is one of our best bonuses we've put together. 2 done for you funnels there, and we upload the funnels and create the funnels for you if you're in the first 30 buyers. And this is all for a front end product. Now LeadMagnet IQ, I'm going to give you a full review and walkthrough of that. But this is the competition. Now there can only be one winner of this, and I'm going to pick the winner in a moment. But if you're not lucky enough to win, just check out the description below. You'll see a link across to my bonus page where you can lock LeadMagnet IQ in through my link and lock in that amazing bonus package. So without further ado, let's pick the winner now. So I'm going to pick the winner. I'm going to choose from all comments. Now I want to, thank everyone who enters these competitions. I appreciate it, and I love to give back to my subscribers. And this is a great way to do it, giving products and bonuses back. Now, if you're lucky enough to win, just open a support ticket. My team will get you set up with everything you need. If you're not lucky enough to win, check out the description below. So let's pick the winner now. So I'm going to pick a winner, and it's Bash204. Doing the extra mile, as always. Another great product you giving away for the group community and others. Much appreciated. So congratulations, Bash. Just open a support ticket and we'll get you set up with everything you need. And remember, if you want LeadMagnet IQ and to be able to lock in my amazing bonus, just check out the description below. So thanks for watching and watch out for the next video.